Hey guys, welcome back. This is me, your random dude, and this time, itutuloy na po natin yung reaction video yesterday. Tama ba yesterday? Oo, tama. Yung second part ng dun sa Oppo event ni Mama Sara. So, kahapon is Love on the Brain, and right now it's going to be Havana na na na. Alright, so I'm excited. Let's go.
Everyone, are you ready to dance with me? Okay lang po ba yun if I do another song?
Pwede,
Alright.
pwede Mama Sara.
Music, please. This song is called Havana.
Sayawan pala to.
Havana, half of my
Alright.
heart is in Havana.
May backup dancers
Bring
pa.
me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his mama's Havana. It didn't work out with the how you doing.
When he came in,
He said there's a lot, I guess I can't do it.
but I can't wait
Sige,
Do
ate.
it
Go
forever
for it.
in a minute.
that summer night.
And Papa says he got my love in him. He got me feeling, ooh.
Diyos ko, tignan nyo yung mga tao. Parang, etong mahirap kasi, di ba? Parang, pag nagpunta ka dun sa mga ganitong event, let's say concert or ano, parang, ang sinasabi nila na tamang gawin is mag-concentrate ka and mag-focus ka doon sa nagper-perform, bitawan mo yung cellphone mo, 'di ba? Logically ayun yung dapat mong gawin kasi kailangan mong namnamin yung performance, 'di ba? Pero let's say kung sobrang idol mo talaga yung nagpe-perform, parang hindi mo maiiwasan yung sarili mo na kunin yung phone mo just to capture the moment para paglabas mo ng venue, meron ka pa rin yung alam mo yun, yung tinitingnan na, oh, ganito ako kalapit kay Mama Sarah. So, actually naiintindihan ko yung mga tao na nagvi-video sa phone while nanonood. Kanya-kanya lang yan. So, let's go.
Ooh, I knew it when I met him. I loved it when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh, and then
Alright.
I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na, Havana, oh, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh, na na.
Ayan din yung step niya, di ba, sa
Take
iba?
me back to East Atlanta, na na na.
Alright.
All of my heart is in
Saan ka pa?
Havana. All heart is in Havana.
Sorry.
Havana. Lay down. Just graduated.
Fresh on campus,
Fresh out East Atlanta with no manners down.
fresh out East Atlanta.
Atlanta, bump, bumping like a traffic jam.
Hey, I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam.
Taking on me, like taking on me, can I take it on me?
She waited on me.
Kahit acapella, kayang-kaya to ni Mama Sara. Promise. Kasi right now, parang acapella talaga yung feel niya.
Those range that big.
Alright.
Yeah. Put your hands together like
That's
this.
great.
Come on, everybody. Come on, come on. Ah, 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 ah. Yeah. Oh, oh, ah, ah.
Alright.
Down. Come on.
Alright. Pasaway to mga tao to eh. Pero siguro tingin ko, pag ako yun nandun, siguro nagbi-video rin ako. Pero pag sinabihan na ako na put your hands up, ay wala na, i-itcha ko pa yung phone ko. Grabe, lahat sila nagpipicture. Alright. Sexy.
Havana, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na, na. He took me back to East
Uy,
Atlanta, na, na, na.
Mama Sara, yan ka na naman eh.
My heart is in Havana.
Why you do this to
My heart
me?
is in Whoa, yeah. Oh, no. Take me back, back, back. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 yeah. Take
Alright.
me back. G-Force, everyone! Salamat!
Lagi siyang ano 'no, nakakatuwa kasi si Mama Sara kasi lagi siyang grateful sa G-Force. Parang every time na magpe-perform siya, hindi niya nakakalimutan mag-thank you sa G-Force. Kaya feeling ko love na love din siya ng G-Force, eh, 'no? Alright, so ano 'tong performance na 'to? Mas mas ano ba? Ano mas gusto ko? Actually, ang galing. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailan na-produce yung Havana and kung kailan nagawa yung Love on the Brain. Pero kung si Mama Sara man ang namili na kantahin niya yung itong both songs para dito sa event na to is I approve kasi halos magkapare sila ng genre. And alam niyo yun, yung sexy na swag. Yung una mo mapapansin yung swag. Pero habang pinapanood mo siya, parang mapapasabi, ay putek, ang sexy naman nito. Saka pa, parang, like right now, Popsters YouTube branch, kailangan nating mag-ingay. Nag-let go na sila, isa ng Darna. Alam nyo, i-edit ko tong video, lalagyan ko na ito ng SG for Darna. Bala kayo, basta ako, para talaga kay Mama Sara yan eh. Aw, ingay! Sino gusto dyan na mag-Darna si Mama Sara? Isipin nyo, ang sexy. Kahit hindi revealing. Tapos, yung kung sasabihin mo lang din na Pinoy, pasok na pasok si Mama Sara dun eh, di ba? Tsaka yung mga stunts na yan, konting practice lang yan, maning-mani yan kay Mama Sara. Nagsasayaw yan na naka-high heels na ganyan. Sus, no match. Alright, so ang dami ko na sinabi. May kulay. See you again next time. Thanks guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.